Flowmeters are essential tools in industries like oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, water management, and manufacturing, ensuring precise fluid flow measurements. Over time, factors such as mechanical wear, contamination, and aging components can lead to inaccuracies. Regular calibration is vital to maintain accuracy, comply with industry standards, and prevent costly errors. Calibration methods vary based on the flowmeter type and application. Common techniques include: 1. Standard device calibration, utilizing a highly accurate reference flowmeter to compare against the one being tested. 2. Static calibration, adjusting the meter in a controlled environment without fluid flow. 3. Dynamic calibration, testing the flowmeter under actual operating conditions with fluid flow. 4. Gravimetric method, measuring the mass of fluid passing through the flowmeter over a set period and comparing it to a known mass. 5. Volumetric method, collecting fluid in a calibrated container and comparing it to the flowmeter's readings. Regular calibration ensures that flowmeters provide accurate measurements, enhancing process efficiency and safety across various industries.